Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Chris. Welcome to my channel, Getting Healthy with Chris. This is my first video posted about the benefits of eating avocados for women. So this topic's for women today. Because of the benefits of eating avocados and why, if you don't do it, why you should start doing it. So let's go to the second screen here. How everybody doing today? It's raining today in Texas. Leave a comment below where you're from. Do you eat avocados? If not, why not? Okay. So what is an avocado? Is avocado a fruit or a vegetable? For the longest time, I thought it was a vegetable, but I realized studying and reviewing and eating them myself, putting them into my diet because I'm on a ketogenic diet, and avocado is a must. It's a fruit, you guys. Some of you knew it, some of you didn't. It's a fruit. It's good for you. And people who need avocado is one thing you can get your vitamin K from, but there's other vegetables too. But are you deficient in vitamin K? You know, are you deficient? Do you know you're deficient? And you ask, why do I need vitamin K? You know, I know I used to ask that too. So I got it here. Why does vitamin K? What does vitamin K do for you, for your body? Yes, what does it do for your body? Vitamin K is an essential nutrient necessary for responding to injuries, regulating normal blood clotting. It assists in transport calcium throughout the body, and vitamin K also can be helpful for bone health. Yes, you heard me, bone health. It reduces bone loss and decrease the risk of bone fractures. And you say this, like, so why is avocado good for you? Well, first of all, maintain healthy, young, vibrant skin. You know, that glow as we age. We don't want to look like something you roll out of bed one morning and be like, oh, what is that? You want to be vibrant. You want to feel good, look good, and feel sexy. Get that healthy glow going on, just glow like the sun, as you may say. But also, key thing here, protect your liver from damages and disease. And the best part, helps with weight loss. Yes, helps with weight loss. Ladies trying to lose weight, ding 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 ding. Add some avocados to your salad, your eggs. It can be versatile. That food is versatile. I eat avocados, add a little lemon juice and pepper and salt and pepper, sea salt and pepper. Goes down. It goes down. Digestion, constipation, having problems in that area. It's an avocado. So, key points to keep in mind. My best key point that helped me really start eating avocado is yes, we were like weight loss and my digestion problem because I was dealing with that real bad. And also, I do incorporate other vegetables, but today we talk about avocados. In the next episode, we're gonna talk about why garlic is good for you. Because this channel is about health, healthy tips, what you need to eat, what you need to do to stay healthy, and also lose some weight and be vibrant. The good things in life. So before I go, before I let you go, if you want more information about how to boost your metabolism, balancing hormones. Yes, balancing hormones is very important, especially for weight loss. Women, women, pay attention. Balance your hormones. Fight off stubborn belly fat. Heals your gut. You want more information about healing your gut and increasing your energy? Check out the book below this description below. Check it out. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy this content, and subscribe for more. Subscribe and thumbs up. This is your girl Chris. Thank you for watching.